Hello guys, so we're gonna make a quiche, beautiful quiche. I'm gonna use this ring, it's 20 centimeter diameter, not too high, because I don't like them too thick, but then you can choose if you want to do a thick one or a shallow one. Me, I like the shallow one. So, you can see the short crust pastry to make it in the previous video. Have a look, and we're gonna use this pastry then. Let's do it. So this pastry has been resting in the fridge. So I'm gonna use just half of it. I think it will be plenty for this little quiche. Work the pastry a little bit in your hand. There. And now we're gonna roll it. So the beauty of this pastry, if you have some extra like that, you can freeze it and reuse it a different day. No problem. Turn around. Try to make a beautiful circle. So not too thick. There. Same thickness everywhere. So I'm gonna use up my hands, turn it around, and now we're gonna stick it on the sides. Stick the sides first. There. Cut the excess. Up. There you go. And then I push the sides up again. We transfer it on the baking tray. So now I got some cheese. So always Emmental cheese first. A good amount. Spread it. So you might think why I'm not par-bake it first, the pastry, but I never did, and it always works. It depends on your oven, you really need some heat at the bottom and little heat on the top. And if you have a fan oven, a convection oven, it will do the job on its own, don't worry. If you start to get lots of color, put a paper on top to avoid coloring even more, so the pastry has more time to cook. If you know what I mean. Right, I'm gonna do a quiche lorraine. So I'm gonna use some ham. I'm gonna cut little squares. And spread it all over. Now my little bacon. Everywhere. I use my finger, it'll be much easier. My bacon, which I caramelize in the pan first. Voilà, that's it. That's simple. So obviously, before adding the ham, the bacon, put the cheese, and then you can put everything you want, like leeks, as long as you cook them first. Mushroom, cooked mushroom. Tuna, spinach, the flavor is endless. You can be very creative. So, but the Lorraine is the classic. If you are not vegetarian, of course. Right, so that's filled up. Just need to do the mix now. All right, so 4 eggs in a bowl. Then you want 270 of whipping cream and 60 grams of whole milk. There. Seasoning, bit of black pepper, salt, and let's mix it. We check the seasoning, bit more salt. And there we have it. So we're gonna pour it onto our tart. Oh, perfect amount, perfect, lovely. And this beauty is gonna go in the oven, 170 degrees, until it's cooked. Look at the beautiful quiche. Yes. Oh, c'est chaud. Hot, hot. So I'm gonna take it out, see if it's cooked at the bottom, but it should be fine. Okay, so let's see. But I've used the tin foil because I didn't have any parchment paper. Yes, beautiful color at the bottom, can you see? Yeah, lovely. So the best thing here is to take it out, and we're gonna let it cool down on a rack. Okay, here's the rack. Up. There we go. Beautiful. So like that, it will stay very crispy. It won't go soggy with the humidity and the heat. It will create dampness if we leave it on the tray. So on the rack, so the air goes all around. I'll do the same for a tart, a cake, anything. So like that is great. So we're gonna let it cool down and cut a slice and enjoy it. So, should we try it? The blade nicely around the ring. Lovely. Let me grab a knife. Wow, look at this beauty. Maybe not cutting straight on the table because my wife will take me off. There. Beautiful. Let's cut a slice. Whoa, perfect. There we go. Nicely cooked at the bottom. Oh, it's still warm inside. It's beautiful. Nice golden. You can't have enough of this quiche. Ham and crispy bacon. And the pastry is so buttery and crispy. It's perfect. Enjoy, guys!